Hello friends, welcome again on my channel. I am back again with second video of C programming series. As we discussed before, C is a middle level language. It has the simplicity of a high level language as well as the power of low level language. The aspect of C makes it suitable for writing both application programs and system programs. The programs written in C are portable, that is, programs written for one type of computer or operating system can be run on another type of computer or operating system. Now, on your screen, you can see the basic structure of a C program. Comments are something that are not compiled by the compiler. It is used for documentation purpose and they can be placed anywhere in a program. After that, preprocessor directives, global variables, if any, main function. As I said, C is a collection of one or more function. Every C program must have at least one C function, that is main function. After that, local variables and coding statements. The main function can further have one or more functions within. The preprocessor directives are processed through preprocessor before the C source code passes through compiler. The commonly used preprocessor directives are #include and #define. #include is used for including header files. #define is used to define symbolic constant and macros. Now let's understand the structure of C program with an example. On your screen you can see a simple C program that prints a text on output screen. #include is used for including header files like studio.h and conio.h that are header files with inbuilt library functions. Every C program has one or more functions. If a program has only one function, that must be main function. Execution of every C program starts with main function. After that, printf function is a library function that is used to write output data. The data should be enclosed within double quotes. I have written Codetastic, that is name of my channel. This program will simply print the Codetastic on output screen. Comments can be placed anywhere in a program and are enclosed between the delimiters /* and */. The steps for execution of C program are as program creation, program compilation and program execution. All these steps can be performed in an IDE using menu option or shortcut keys. There are so many IDEs available in the market today. Turbo C, Visual Basic, Dev C, CodeBlocks are some of the IDEs that can be used for developing C programs.